Good morning, students. Today we will see fractions and types of fractions. Fraction. First of all, what is fraction? Fraction means part of a whole. Whatever whole thing is there, if you make part of it, you will get fraction. A fraction has two parts, numerator and denominator. Examples are 4 by 12, 6 by 18, 2 by 9. This 4 by 12 can also be read as 4 upon 12, where 4 is numerator. The number which is written on the top is called numerator, and the number which is written down, that is called denominator. You can also remember like this, D for down and D for denominator. So this number is denominator and this number is numerator, and these way fractions are written, etc. There are many more fractions. Now, types of fractions. First of all, proper fractions, improper fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions, unit fractions, equivalent fractions, mixed fractions, and decimal fractions. One by one, we will see these all types of fractions. First one is proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. Numerator means this top one, this 4. Example is 4 by 12. For example, this 4 by 12, this 4 is less than 12. As you can see, 4 is numerator and 12 is denominator. So, numerator is less than denominator. So, this is example of proper fraction. Now, improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than the denominator. That type of fractions are called improper fraction. Examples are 18 upon 15 and many more examples you can take of your own. So, 18 upon 15. This 18 which is written on the top, that is numerator, and 15 is denominator. 18 is greater than 15. Okay, so numerator is greater than 15. So this is improper fractions. So just opposite of proper fraction is improper fraction. Here numerator is less and here numerator is greater than denominator. Now third one is like fractions. Fractions having same denominators. The denominators should be same. Then that type of fractions are called like fractions. Examples are 4 by 3, 12 by 3, 9 by 3 and many more examples you can take of your own. Now 4 by 3, here denominator is 3. 12 by 3, here also denominator is 3. 9 by 3, here also denominator is 3. So the denominators are same. So fractions having same denominators. As you can see, all the denominators are same. So these are examples of like fractions. Now, unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Just opposite of this. Here the denominators were same. Here denominators are different. So when the denominators are different, such fractions are called unlike fractions. Examples are 12 upon 5, 16 upon 11, 13 upon 9. Here the denominator is 5, here it is 11 and here it is 9. So the denominators are different. So such fractions where all the denominators are different, that fractions are called unlike fractions. Now next type of fraction is unit fractions. Fractions having 1 as numerators. There should be 1 in the numerator. As you can see in the example, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 10 and so on. So the numerators should have 1. So if all the numerators are 1, then such fractions are called unit fractions. Okay, the numerator should be 1. All the numerators should be 1, then they are unit fractions. Now next, that is equivalent fractions. When we multiply any fraction with a non-zero number, or you can multiply numerator and denominator, both should be multiplied by the same number. Then whatever answer you get, the product that we get, that is called equivalent fraction. For example, let us take one fraction, that is 1 upon 2, and multiply both by some number. You can take any number of your choice. I have taken 4. So you can multiply with 4. With 4 you will multiply both. Both should be multiplied by same number. Okay, keep in mind that this whole fraction should be multiplied by 4. So 4 ones will be 4 and 4 twos will be 8. So this answer what you are getting, 4 upon 8, that is called equivalent fraction. Okay, now why this is called equivalent fraction? Let us see with example. So let us take one example. For example, you can take another example also. Let us take one fraction 3 by 4. Now both you are multiplying with 5. You can multiply with any number. So the answer will be 5 3s are 15 and 4 5s are 20. Now this answer what you get, that is equivalent fraction. Why it is equivalent to this fraction? Because if you cancel it, if you do cancellation, if you do reduce form of this, both are coming in the table of 5. So 5 3s are and 5 4s are. So the answer is again it is coming 3 by 4. So our original fraction that we took was 3 by 4, and this answer if we cancel we again get back 3 by 4. So that is why 3 by 4 is equivalent to 15 by 20. So these both are equivalent fractions. You can see like this, because after cancellation answer is coming the same. So that is why these both are equivalent fractions. So you need to multiply both by same number. Numerator and denominator both should be multiplied by same number. Then only you will get equivalent fraction. Now next fraction is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. For example, one integer 2 by 5. So in mixed fraction, whole number is also there and fractional part is also there. Mixed fraction can also be converted to improper fraction. If we take one example for mixed fraction, okay, as I told you, here the example was one integer 2 by 5. So this 1, that is your whole number. Okay, this was your example, one integer 2 by 5. This 1 is your whole number and this 2 by 5 is fractional part or fraction. Okay, so mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and fraction. So we get a mixed fraction. So one integer 2 by 4 is a mixed fraction. So as the definition is given, mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. This is example one integer 2 by 5. You can take other example also. Mixed fraction can be converted to improper fraction. Same way improper fraction can also be converted to mixed fraction. Let us see this. Now conversion of mixed fraction to improper fraction and vice versa. You can convert mixed fraction to improper fraction or improper fraction to mixed fraction, both ways. Now first one, I have taken improper fraction. Sorry, I have taken mixed fraction. 2 integer 1 upon 5. Now this we will convert into improper fraction. Convert it. So 5 2s are 10 and plus 1. This way we need to convert it. 5 multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by 5. 5 into 2 plus 1. So 5 into 2 plus 1 and then whole upon 2. So it will be 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11 upon 5. So first it was, this is mixed fraction. And the answer what we are getting, that is improper fraction. Why improper fraction? Because numerator is greater than denominator. We have seen the definition. So this is improper fraction. Similarly, now improper fraction can also be converted to mixed fraction. Both ways conversion is possible. So 11 upon 5 can be converted to mixed fractions by division. You can convert any mixed fraction into improper fraction or improper into mixed. Let us take this only, 11 upon 5. How you will convert? By division. You will divide 11 by 5. So 5 2s are 10. 11 minus 10 will be 1. So this is your quotient that you are getting, and this is remainder, and this is divisor. Okay, now we have to write it in this form, Q R by D. Q R upon D. First we need to write quotient, then remainder upon divisor. So what is our quotient Q? That is 2, and remainder is 1, and this is 5, that is divisor. So 2 integer 1 upon 5. So this improper fraction is converted to mixed fraction. Now if you want to check whether it is correct or not, you can check it like this. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 upon 5 we are getting this. Yes. So mixed fraction can be converted to improper, and improper fraction can be converted to mixed fraction. Both ways conversion is possible. So this was about mixed fraction. Now last fraction, that is decimal fraction. Now we will talk about decimal fractions. Decimal fractions means fractions with denominators 10, 100, 1000. If the denominators are having 10, 100, 1000 and so on, कोई भी जीरो वाले अगर नंबर हो जैसे 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, okay, so they are called decimal fractions. You can take example. There are certain example I have taken 5 upon 10, 5 upon 100 or 25 by 10. That way you can take your own example also. Decimal fractions, they get converted to decimal numbers. There can be other fractions also which we divide, so we will get answer in decimal part. So other numbers, other fractions are also there which you divide, answer will be in decimal. Okay, so these are simple decimal fractions. 5 upon 10, if you divide 10, you will put point after one digit, so it will be 0.5. So these are examples of decimal fractions. So today fractions and type of fractions we have seen.